Police in Eldoret have impounded 200 kilograms of unsuspected and contaminated meat, which was destined for various butcheries in Munyaka estate and other meat joints within Eldoret town. This has raised concerns that residents could be feeding on unsuspected meat whose source is unknown. Police officers from Kapsio Police Station, in collaboration with Munyaka Village Elder and Nyumba Kumi Initiative leaders, intercepted the meat which was being ferried on motorcycles. The officers who were involved in the operation said that they were following a lead to arrest individuals operating the unlicensed abattoirs in Munyaka.
Kupitia Nyumba Kumi tumeweza kujua ya kwamba ziko nyama zinaletwa na zinawekwa kwa manyumba saa jioni saa 12 zinatolewa kwa barabara, zinakuwa za kuchemushwa watu wakule. Hatujui kama hizo nyama ni za puda, hatujui kama ni za umbwa, hatujui ni za nini.